Hello, I am Stuart. Here in the video, we will share the details for Star Wars Battlefront Error Code 524. The error reads, "Sorry, the account is not able to play online. See ea.com/unable to connect for more information." As per our research, this error prevents players from accessing online features in Star Wars Battlefront. The most common reason for this error is an underage account or an inactive EA account that restricts online play. Or sometimes the error can also be the result of any bugs. This error often happens if your EA account is set as an underage account or a sub-account. So go to your EA account settings and check the date of birth linked to your account. If the account is underage, then this is why online access is restricted. If your EA account has been inactive for a long time, it may have been disabled for online play. Contact EA support and ask if this is the case. If so, then request them to reactivate your account. Some users found that turning off login confirmation under the security section of their EA account fixed the error. So give this a try and see if this helps. If you still get the error, then try changing the DNS settings on your console or PC under Network Settings and see if this resolves the issue. In case you are still unable to resolve the error, then try log in with a different EA account and check if the error still appears. If the second account works fine, then the issue is specific to your main EA account. In that case, reach out to EA support for further assistance. If none of the previous fixes work, wait for a few hours and try again. If the issue persists, contact EA support and report the problem. So, there you have it. To fix the error, check your account age, reactivate your EA account, disable login confirmation, change DNS settings, try another account, or contact EA support if needed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.